People with chronic health conditions are fighting for their right to health coverage. Good evening, I'm Kim Chapman.
And I'm Josh Rowe. Alana LaFleur is live in downtown Chattanooga where the protest happened tonight. Alana, what did the protesters have to say?
Josh, Kim, protesters met here at the Hamilton County Courthouse and walked all the way down to Miller Park carrying a gurney with a fake body on it. They said they were trying to make a statement that they were afraid people with pre-existing conditions would be denied health care and coverage. But Republican lawmakers say that's not true.
Transgender people will be dying because of this law.
Life or death. That's what Asher Larson worries the American Health Care Act will come down to for people with pre-existing conditions. Asher is transgender. That's considered a pre-existing condition under the bill.
If people don't have access to health care, they can't be treated for things.
Asher and others walked through downtown carrying signs with their pre-existing conditions. They also carried a fake body on a stretcher, symbolizing death. Under the Affordable Care Act or Obamacare, insurance companies have to cover people with pre-existing conditions. Representative for Tennessee's 3rd District Chuck Fleischman says that will still stand.
We've put money in the bill to make sure that those with pre-existing conditions will be covered.
I don't believe that. I find that politicians will say whatever they want about health insurance laws.
One reason these protesters are skeptical is the bill's MacArthur amendment. States could seek waivers and allow insurance companies to charge patients more based on their medical history if coverage lapses for 63 days. More expensive care is something cancer survivor Joan Flores says she can't afford.
I just have to go without insurance and hope the cancer doesn't ever come back, because that would be the thing that would just absolutely bankrupt me.
Republican Senator Lamar Alexander, who chairs the Senate Health, Education, Labor and Pensions Committee, addressed the Senate last week after the vote. He laid out goals for the Senate version of the bill. They include making sure people with pre-existing conditions have access to insurance and lowering premiums. As senators draft the legislation, people like Asher keep making their voices heard.
Health care is a human right, and that no one should be denied health care because of a pre-existing condition.
Tonight, a spokesperson for Senator Bob Corker told us that Senator Corker doesn't believe the Senate will vote on the House-passed version of the bill. For now, reporting live, Alana LaFleur, News Channel 9.
Alana, thank you. Senator Alexander says the Senate version of the bill lawmakers will be different than what the House passed. He says they will, quote, take time to get it right.